Hello every pony! My name is Kara and welcome to my channel. Today I have something special for you. It's a very new cosplay that I've just recently put together. Fluttershy from My Little Pony Friendship is Magic. I know, I'm sort of late to the game, but I've been revisiting the series on Netflix recently and Fluttershy is my favorite pony. And this is kind of a costume that anybody can really put together and do for themselves, so I figured I would make a quick video to show you how I do the makeup, how I put on the costume, the accessories, and you guys know the drill. As always, any products that I use or mention in this video will be listed in the description below, so if you see anything you like, feel free to check it out for yourself. Let's get right into it. So we're going to start with no makeup at all because it is time to put in our contact lenses, and I say this every time and in every tutorial, but you always want to put in your contact lenses before you do any makeup to avoid getting any makeup on your contact lenses. Don't damage your lenses. You paid good money for them. Fluttershy has blue eyes, which I don't have, clearly, so I'm going to be using the same blue lenses that I use for my Mavis cosplay. These are the Blissful Blue lenses from Oh My Kitty. I sing Oh My Kitty's praises all the time, but it's very well deserved. These are very comfortable and the color is super bright. As always, you want to make sure your hands are clean before you put in contact lenses. And there we go. Now that my eyes are bluified, it is time to start on the makeup. So first comes primer. I use my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Put a little bit on my hand, rub it all in, and now comes foundation. I have been using the Bare Minerals Original Powder Foundation, and in my experience, it has worked just as well as liquid foundation. I just put a little bit in the lid and then apply with sponge. So for concealer, I use the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer in the shade Fair Warm, and that is going to go under my eyes as well as on my pimples. I always seem to like break out on my chin, and then you just dab this in. Pretty standard so far. And then for my dark circles, which are extra dark, I go in with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid, and we're going to put that right under my eyes as well. This neutralizes to match my skin tone and just kind of helps to better conceal these bags under my eyes. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows at this point because it's pretty quick. I don't really do much to them. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and it's in dark brown. And I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows and make them look nice and even. Just like that. I'm not going to contour because I really wanted Fluttershy to have a soft, youthful face. That said, we are going to use quite a bit of blush. Fluttershy is, of course, very timid. It's in her name. She's shy. So we want to look very flushed. To achieve this, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Color Icon blusher, and I've had this literally forever. I don't know what shade it's in, but it looks like this. And get ready for this. Just gonna put it quite generously across my cheeks and then across my nose as well. Just like that. So I'm just going to lightly go over it with a brush, kind of help blend it in. Now for eyeshadow, I'm actually going to just take the same blush and use that as my base color and just swipe this over my eyelid, and that's gonna be like the base. It's kind of glittery, so it's really pretty. Honestly, sometimes I just wear my blush as eyeshadow, like when I'm going out to the store, You should try it. It's pretty cute. So now that we have that as a base, I got a new palette for Christmas, and I've been obsessed with it. This is the Colourpop Bare Necessities palette. I don't know why I'm holding it like this. There we go. I really like this palette. There's a lot of pretty colors. This is pretty much like my color range, so big fan. Thank you, Mom and Dad. But I'm going to take the color The Talk and put that on my finger and just swipe it on top. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with the color Teddy, which as you can see I've used a lot, and put that in my inner corners. And that is pretty much going to do it for eyeshadow. I think this is a really pretty, even wearable look, so. But now we move on to eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black, and I'm just going to make little wings on both eyes. Fluttershy has those big round cartoon eyes, so you kind of want to draw your attention to that. Like so. And then just connect it. Now I'm not going to do my waterline because I want the eyes to look very big, and when you do that eyeliner on the waterline, it makes your eyes look a little smaller. It's better for like sultry looks, but this is going to be kind of cutesy, so I'm going to leave that as it is, and I'm going to go straight for lashes. I'm going to be using the Kiss Demi Wispies lashes. I always go for these lashes. They're cute and they're affordable on Amazon. Let's see if I can do a transition. I feel like I've gotten slightly better at putting on false lashes. I used to be like terrible. Now I'm going to take my Monsieur Big Lancome mascara and just blend these in with my normal lashes. And then of course, the bottom. And that is pretty much the eyes. So the last thing is the lips. Today I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Seductress, which seems kind of contrary to the theme of this video, but yeah, it's a really pretty nude lip, so. And then to really make the lips pop, I'm going to take my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu? It's BLG07? I don't know. And that pretty much does it for the makeup. So let's go ahead and put on the costume. So the dress that I chose for Fluttershy is this yellow lacy rose pattern dress, and I'm just in love with this. I actually got it from Walmart. It was in the bridal section, so it's actually like a bridesmaid's dress, but I think it's just so cute and beautiful, and it works perfectly for Fluttershy. It's the perfect color, the style is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Now we all know that Fluttershy's cutie mark is 3 pink butterflies, so I decided to honor that with a necklace. I got this cute little pink butterfly necklace on Amazon, and I just thought it was perfect for Fluttershy. And now for my favorite part, the wig. Yes, I know I'm bald, but I got this gorgeous pastel pink wig from Amazon. Yeah, I'm surprised too. But it is just perfect for Fluttershy. It is the perfect color. It's a lace front. As you can see, I have cut the lace already, but it is just gorgeous, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And this is really where the cosplay starts to take off. As you can see, it is a side part, which fits Fluttershy perfectly. Yeah, it's just this gorgeous pink wig. So this is kind of what the wig looks like with the dress. I just think it's so pretty, it's so flowy. Yeah, I wish this was my real hair color. So far we definitely have the Fluttershy vibe, but what is really going to transform this cosplay is going to be her ears and her wings. So I have this set of ears and wings, and I got these on Etsy from the one and only Yaya Han, and I'm really excited to show you guys when it all comes together, so here we go. So here is the dress, the wings, the ears, the wig, everything together. I realize one of my wings is kind of bent, and I'm sorry about that. But anyways, I'm going to insert some more pictures of the finished cosplay here. I took these a few days ago, and I really like them. I think they're super pretty. So this is kind of what it looks like all together. And I just had to do a quick feature on the shoes, just because I think they're adorable. I got these from Amazon as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoy this finished Fluttershy look, and if you guys choose to replicate this for Halloween or just as a cosplay, do let me know below so I can check it out. Again, it's very simple, but it's super cute. If you guys enjoyed this and you would like to see more of my content, you can follow me here on YouTube by subscribing to my channel, or you can follow me on Facebook at Kara Michelle Cosplay or Instagram at Kara M Cosplay respectively. I'll also leave my Linktree in the description that has links to all of my social medias. But yeah, drop suggestions for future video ideas in the comments below if you want. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you'll tune in next time. I have some ideas planned for the future, and I'm going to go film a TikTok now, so I'll insert that here as the credits. See you next time!
Well, hello Twilight. I hope you don't mind, but we're all doing a little spring cleaning for you.
It's summer.
Oh, well, better late than never, right?
You're not doing this for the ticket, are you?
Oh no! I'm doing this because you're my very best friend. Right, Angel? Oh, yes, we are just doing this for the ticket.